Hi everyone! Welcome to Zero to Coder. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from our coding journey. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Python on your computer, so let's get started. First, go to the official Python website. Open your browser and type Python in the address bar. On the home page, you'll see a big Download Python button right at the top. Scroll down. Python automatically detects your operating system and suggests the appropriate version. Then download it. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. Here's the most important part. Before clicking Install Now, check the box that says Add Python to Path. This ensures you can run Python from the command line. Next, click Install Now, and Python will begin installing. It usually takes just a couple of minutes. Once it's done, you'll see a success message. Click Close to finish the setup. To check if Python was installed correctly, open your command prompt or terminal. Type Python, version and hit enter. If everything went well, you should see the version of Python displayed on your screen. Click on the search bar next to the Start menu on your Windows computer, or simply press the Windows key on your keyboard to open it. Next, type Python into the search bar. If Python is already installed, you'll see it appear in the search results. You can click on it to open Python directly. You'll need a code editor to write your Python scripts. A great choice for beginners is Visual Studio Code. It's lightweight, easy to use, and works perfectly with Python. That's it for today's tutorial. Installing Python is the first step toward an exciting coding journey. Let me know in the comments if you encountered any issues, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one. Happy coding!